So they're got through the fondant. And that's what the warm weather does. Look at them, look. Whoa! Shocker. See them there?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow. It was quite quiet last time, whether that don't worry about it, I don't know. Oh, there's still a bit of weight in there. You see, some hives will consume more than others. Some are more greedy, some are more flippant. Just different hives. Wow. Plenty of fondant. Hello, girls.
These ones are a lot more quiet than the other ones.
Yeah, I mean they are, aren't they? I mean you can see how one hive is different from the next.
Oh, yeah.
They're all right, aren't they? Bit of food. See, they're not consuming it that much, and as I say, some hives just won't eat that much. See, I thought that one was quite light last time. That bloody hive there, that poly hive. Let's see.